and a bright, happy Monday morning to you. It is the 8th of June in 2026, and oh my gosh, have we already gotten a week into June? So, I have got some work to do, and one of the things that I hope that I've impressed upon you guys as you are on your court reporting journey is to really sit back and take stock of where you are, how things are working, how things are not working. So I went out on an assignment. I was more of a shadow assignment, and I was watching how things were translating in this particular situation. Now, I will admit I am using the new Speechmatics engine, so it's different than Dragon. And I was finding some things that I need to work on. And I think it's always good to do a tune-up, a checkup. See where you are. I'm also doing the 90-day testing challenge, and of course, you see things there as well as you're writing in real time and you're grading, and you see, oh, well, there's one thing. For example, for me, my conditional punctuation for the word please, the word no, and the word yes, I'm taking them out because it's not quite functioning the way I want it to. But the only way you really see that is to look. So do a tune-up of all of the things, whether it's your dictionary or maybe it's how you're organizing your work, how you're managing your workflow. One of the things that came home to me was that I need to do a little bit better of communicating with my team. Why? Because I am not used to working with a team of Scopus. I don't generally do daily copy. And my assignment came off for tomorrow, but I forgot to tell my team. So, oops. And I need to reevaluate, how am I going to create a system where as soon as I find out something, I tell my team? Because I just don't think like that, because in 30 years of reporting, I've never done it. So again, as you're moving into new arenas in your work, new opportunities, really sit back and evaluate. What does your translation look like? What does your workflow management look like? What does your team structure look like? What does your communication look like? Everything evolves. When you're a solo, it's one thing. When you're working with a team, it's another thing. If you are working as an official and you've got people that are your management people that are saying, you've got to be in this place on this day and this place on the other day, how are you making that be efficient for you so that you know where you're going to be, but also so that you can be where you need to be on time for them? So, all this to say, at super duper fast speed, time to evaluate, right? Maybe do it quarterly, maybe do it monthly. Again, I'm doing it at a new type of work and really figure out what is the best thing for me. But sit down and figure out what's happening in your world. What is it that's triggering you? What is causing you stress? And is there something that you can change in the way you do your work that will make it better? And I'm going to warn you guys, it's challenging, and it really makes you take stock, and maybe you're going to have to change something. And I know a lot of us are not good with change, but if it's a change for the better, is it worth it? Remember, we talk about those habits, and it takes 3 weeks to get that habit ingrained. So be honest with yourself. I think I put that on one of my TikTok videos. Just evaluate, be honest, and then make a plan. And then after about 3 weeks of doing that new thing, come back and evaluate again and see if that works for you. So I'm going to practice what I'm preaching and figure out my best path forward in this new style of work. And so I'm going to create an email listing, and I'm going to put a reminder in my job tracker. If it cancels, don't forget to tell your team, because I have my Trello where I put assignments in, and I'm going to put in the name of the people that are working with me on that assignment, and if it changes, I can remember to send those emails. That's how my brain is thinking about these things. Make it so that you don't drop any balls. Hard work, worth doing. Have a great week, y'all.